Hey, welcome back. When outdoor cooking demands real power, the ROVSUN high-pressure propane gas stove delivers. Whether you're frying a Thanksgiving turkey, brewing your own beer, or cooking for a big camping trip, this stove is built for performance. Pause. This isn't your average camping burner, it's a powerhouse made for serious outdoor chefs. The ROVSUN 2 or 3 burner gas stove features high-pressure cast iron burners that deliver up to 150,000 BTU of consistent heat output. That means faster boiling, more even frying, and reliable cooking performance for large pots and heavy-duty outdoor tasks. Equipped with a CSA Certified PSI Regulator and hose, this propane stove ensures stable gas flow and safe operation every time. The heavy-duty steel frame provides outstanding stability and durability, capable of supporting large stock pots, brew kettles, and fryers. Each burner has its own individual control knob, letting you manage flame intensity independently for multitasking, perfect for simultaneous boiling, frying, or steaming. Its detachable legs make it portable and easy to store, ideal for camping, tailgating, backyard parties, seafood boils, or home canning. Key features: 1. High-pressure burners, up to 150,000 BTU total output for powerful performance. 2. 20 PSI CSA listed regulator, ensures safe, stable, and consistent propane flow. 3. Durable steel construction, heavy-duty frame built for long-term outdoor use. 4. Independent control knobs, precise flame control for each burner. 5. Versatile cooking options, perfect for canning, brewing, frying, or boiling. 6. Detachable legs, easy portability and compact storage. 7. Compatible with 20 lb propane tanks, standard connection for convenience. 8. Weather-resistant coating, designed for outdoor durability. Pause again. After just one use, whether you're frying a turkey or brewing beer, you'll see why this stove is a favorite among outdoor cooks. The ROVSUN outdoor propane gas stove combines industrial-level heat with practical design, making outdoor cooking faster, easier,